Good morning, Buenos Dias. If you're new, I'm Dia and I have created a 28-day fitness challenge. Today is day 11 of the challenge and we are doing a leg day. So today I'd like to talk about motivation. I get asked so many times, how do I stay so motivated to work out every single day? Now, what I say is you need a schedule. You need to have something set so you have that time to work out. I wake up at 4 a.m. to get to the gym by 5 so I can get to work at 8. I have that set schedule so I can have that workout block in my day. We're all adults, we have regrets. You don't want to be that person 10 years from now looking back regretting not working out. So what you want to do is find yourself a reason. Find yourself a reason to work out now and not regret the next 10 years of your life. With that, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, we are going to start off with a exercise / warm-up. We are going to be doing glute pushdowns. We're doing 3 sets of 12 reps. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. Then we are moving on to our working exercise. We're doing some heavy deadlifts. We're doing 4 sets of 4 reps. As you can see, I am using a belt here just to really keep safe and keep my form in check. If you don't have a belt, there is a link down below. Go ahead and click on it. Support your girl. If you can't get the belt in time, go ahead and do lighter weight with higher reps. Moving on to a superset, we're doing cable kickbacks and cable abductors. We're doing 3 sets of 12 reps each. And our final exercise is a banded kettlebell squat. We're doing 3 sets of 12 reps. Enjoy! Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Your homework today is to look at yourself in the mirror and really envision yourself being where you want to be. You need to have a vision to keep going, to keep that motivation. And I'd like to know what your reason is, what your motivation is. So please do comment those down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. Bye guys.